Welcome to Pisic, David here, and even though 8 is only one more than 7, in a world of apps and software, one whole version number is often a huge deal. So it's reasonable to expect significant changes in version 8 of an app over version 7. But ProCam doesn't play by this rule of new number, new version. It just updates its version number every year like clockwork. So that means there's virtually nothing new in ProCam 8 that wasn't there in ProCam 7. It's essentially the exact same app, except the iPhone 12 series of phones get support for the new Dolby Vision HDR, and that's it. But don't worry, if you are new to ProCam and you've come to this video wanting to learn what it's all about and see what it can do, then my review of ProCam 7 is still very much current, very much relevant. It's 18 minutes long and it's full of information and examples and demonstrations of exactly what ProCam can do. So I'll link to that in the description below, and that's all I have for you today. I'm sorry it is not what you're used to, but hey, I'm here to help you. And I wasn't even going to make a video about ProCam 8, but then I saw in my channel analytics that people were searching for ProCam 8, so I thought I'd better say something, and well, this is the reality of ProCam 8. Thanks for watching, and Aussie Puna.